Hi everyone, I'm Andrea Digital Tech, and in this video I want to show you my latest two purchases for my beloved MacBook, a new transparent cover and an elegant travel bag. These accessories should interest anyone who has a laptop or MacBook and wants to protect it in the best way possible. The cover is for daily protection against accidental scratches, with a transparent design to keep its elegant look and the Apple logo visible. The travel bag, on the other hand, is for making my trips more comfortable and secure, optimizing space so I can carry all the necessary accessories with good organization and minimal bulk. I've tried to maintain the elegance that characterizes these laptops while keeping a certain style. Let's start with the cover. It comes in a simple cardboard box with assembly instructions. The back of the cover has no protection, while the top part is covered with a plastic film. The installation is really easy. Just snap on the top cover and then the bottom one. The covers are made of hard plastic and are well designed. They fit perfectly along the sides and cling tightly to the edges. One positive aspect is that the hinges don't touch each other, except slightly on the outer tabs. However, there's one thing that didn't fully convince me. The clips on the display cover are quite stiff, risking damage to the delicate bezel of the display. You pointed this out in my previous review of the first cover I used, so to solve this problem, I decided to slightly file down the teeth and tabs of the hinges to reduce contact and their resistance. This solution seems to have worked well, making the release much quicker and safer, so I hope I won't have any future problems. Overall, I'm really happy with the result, and I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Yes, because the original look of the MacBook combined with this transparent cover isn't significantly altered, so it maintains its style while ensuring protection from bumps and scratches. Plus, the plastic isn't slippery. It provides a good grip, reducing the risk of accidental drops. The only downside is that dust might accumulate inside, potentially affecting the appearance, so it will probably need occasional cleaning. Another interesting detail is the white rubber feet on the bottom, which provide good surface grip and prevent scratches on desks. Furthermore, the ventilation grill is also present, and on this I want to say that in the Air model, and for my use, I really struggle to get it to temperature. In fact, it always remains cold, so the problem doesn't exist for me. While for those who use it more intensively or for pro models, it can certainly be helpful. Now, moving on to the travel bag. Its unboxing is very minimalistic, simply packaged in a plastic bag. When I held it, I noticed it's lightweight yet sturdy and thick, giving me confidence it will protect the MacBook well. What stands out most is the internal padding. I'm not sure of the exact material, but it feels like extremely soft velvet, perfect for preventing scratches on the laptop surface. As for the exterior, it's slightly rough to the touch, and importantly, the manufacturer claims it's waterproof, so it should be fine in unexpected rain. I tested it by splashing some water on it, and it repelled well. For a first test, my 13-inch MacBook Air M2 fits perfectly inside, even with the cover on, and once zipped up, there's no air gap inside, giving a solid and robust feel. I chose this model because it has two zippered compartments. To give you an idea, they're about as deep as the palm of your hand, so they're large enough to hold all the necessary accessories like the charging cable, charger, phone, mouse, and anything else you might need while traveling and working. Additionally, it has a handle on the edge, making it convenient to carry in one hand like a regular travel bag, almost making you forget you're carrying a laptop. With that said, I find the bag to be very sleek and elegant, even when it's full of accessories, so you have everything you need without carrying a bulky bag, and you can feel confident that your laptop is protected from accidental bumps during travel. What do you think? Do you use other methods to protect and transport your laptop? Do you like this setup? That's all for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for future tech updates. See you next time.